Hi there. I guess it's kind of funny when a grown man rides such a small bicycle, but it's actually surprisingly comfortable and really practical. In this review, I will show you all the details of this e-bike so you can decide if it's something for you or not. Stay tuned.
The DYU D3F mini electric bike emerges as a unique contender in the foldable e-bike market, blending compactness with affordability. Its defining feature is its size, boasting 14-inch tires and a frame that folds at the handlebars for a reduced profile. It's perfect for the urban commuter with limited storage space. Unlike other folding electric bikes, it doesn't have a folding frame, but after folding the handlebar and collapsing the pedals, I could easily fit the bike in the trunk of my car. And even if the trunk isn't the biggest, there will be plenty of room for other stuff too. Despite its small size, the bike aims to stand tall on performance, navigating the fine line between being considered a novel toy and a serious commuter option. At the core of this mini electric bike is a 250-watt motor, small yet surprisingly effective at pushing the bike to its limits on flat terrains. But hill climbing isn't the bike's strongest feature. I'm not sure what's the percentage of this incline, but the bike was really struggling. When I used pedals, then I was struggling. The advertised top speed is 15.5 miles per hour or 25 kilometers per hour, a safe and manageable pace for navigating through urban environments and crowded streets. In reality, with my weight of 90 kilos or 200 pounds, the bike managed to reach the speed of 20 kilometers per hour. The throttle is responsive from the standstill, and acceleration is steady and calm. When using the pedal assistance only, the acceleration is quite slow. Then it gradually picks up the pace, and soon the pedaling gets so fast it's already a bit uncomfortable. The battery is integrated into the frame. The non-removable design of the battery means charging requires bringing the bike to a power source. But since the bike is so portable, it's not a big deal. The advertised range is between 15 and 37 miles. If you use only the throttle, I wouldn't expect much over 15 miles. But in pedal assist mode, you can possibly ride over 30 miles. The mechanical disc brakes on the bike provides reliable stopping power. Their responsiveness was immediate and consistent, allowing for smooth deceleration and safe stops. The absence of gears on this bike simplifies its operation, but also limits its versatility, particularly when navigating diverse terrains. While this simplicity contributes to the bike's sleek, minimalist appeal and reduces maintenance, riding on steep incline can be a challenge. The bike features 14-inch wheels, remarkably small for an adult-sized bicycle, contributing significantly to its unique profile and handling characteristics. These wheels lend the bike an unparalleled level of maneuverability in tight urban spaces, allowing for swift navigation through congested areas. However, their size also means that riders feel more road vibrations and bumps. It's ideal to ride with it on smooth surfaces, but I would avoid gravel and bumpy roads. The saddle on this bike is thoughtfully designed for comfort. Its cushioning is ample, providing supportive ride that mitigates some of the discomfort from the bike's rigid frame and small wheels on uneven surfaces. The bike comes equipped with a suite of additional features that elevate its functionality and safety for urban commuting. Mud guards are fitted both at the front and rear, providing essential protection against splashes and debris from wet or dirty roads and keeping the rider clean and dry. For visibility during early mornings or late evenings, the inclusion of both front and rear lights is a significant safety measure, ensuring the rider is seen by others on the road. A sturdy kickstand allows for easy parking anywhere, adding convenience for stops during errands. Although the bike costs just around $500, and sometimes even less, it's really impressive that DYU has equipped the bike with all the necessary features. Often, much pricier e-bikes come without fenders or lights, but it's not the case here. To sum it up, I must say that riding the bike offered a unique blend of comfort and agility, albeit with some limitations due to its size. The ride quality on flat urban surfaces was surprisingly smooth. However, the lack of suspension and the bike's small wheels meant that navigating over bumps and potholes required caution. The bike strikes an admirable balance between affordability and functionality, proving that you don't need to invest in a high-end e-bike to enjoy the benefits of electric biking. For those in search of an accessible, well-equipped urban e-bike, this model certainly deserves consideration.
If you liked the video, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more similar content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.